Welcome to System Users Template video tutorial. In this video we will walk you through the data collection and template filling process for the System Users Master. A system user is a person who uses the application service. A user often has a user account and is identified to the system by a username. The user is a person who accesses a particular application to perform a set of actions. Each user has a certain number of set tasks. The user would be allowed to perform a task by assigning particular roles, which are super admin, trade license approver, data entry admin, and trade license document verifier, etc. Download the configuration data template to fill in the system user's details. As we can see on the screen, there are 19 columns: serial number, name, mobile number, father husband's name, gender, date of birth, email, correspondence address, ULB, role, employment type, current assignment, status, hierarchy, boundary type, boundary, assigned from date, department, and designation. Now start updating the information for each column. Some columns marked with a star are mandatory. Please make sure all the mandatory columns are updated in the template. To know details of the individual column, please refer to the Data Definition System Users Master page. After filling the data into the template, refer to the checklist to ensure the data accuracy and data entry requirements are met. For any query or assistance, please feel free to reach out our team. We hope this video has helped you understand the template filling process. Thank you.